Hello everyone, it's me Yusuf. I'm back to you today with a new tutorial about railing and Revit. So today we are going to dive into the world of creating railing in Revit. The main thing of my tutorial is to understand the concept of railing in Revit so you will able to do your own future railing due to the understanding of the concept of railing. So, if you find this video informative, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel for more Revit tutorials. Without further ado, let's jump into the world of Revit railing. So, let's get started. So, as you can see here, for designing railing, uh, it's not like a one time you can do it and that's it. There's too much of design of railing as you can see here, and it's not like one. So how we can do this, or how we can understand this, or is it possible to do any railing I want in the future? This is what I'm going to answer for you today. Yes, it's possible if you only understand the concept of railing and Revit. So, what's the concept? This is what we are going to discuss in this tutorial. I'm going to explain for you um, the property of railing so we can understand in next video how we can design our future railing. So let's go ahead and start. So if I'm going here in my Revit, I'm just going to go to make a new template, it's architecture, and I will press OK. So what I'm going to do now is to make a railing, and I will just make a line here and I will press OK. I will go to 3D model. It's very big. Let's make it something like this. I think it's enough, no need to make it big. And just going to change the type of our railing to make it more understandable. I'm just going to make reference plane here, just to let's make reference, and I will call it railing. So as you can see, this is our railing. I will move it a little bit like this. For the first time you will see this, you think that all this is elements, it's like same, just like some vertical, some horizontal. Actually, in Revit, it's not like this. They are different, and I'm going to explain for you. So, if I'm going to go to edit type, let's make this is like a new a type, and you can see here we have rail structure, baluster, and top rail. So what is this? This is the main structure for railing to understand the concept of railing. So what is railing structure? We are going to go to edit. As you can see here, we have rail 1, rail 2, rail 3, rail 4. So if I'm going to click here, let's go to preview. You see, this is rail 4, this is rail 2, rail 3, this is rail 2, there is rail 1. And you see they are in different height. I already explained this in my photo. So you see R1 is on elevation 100 millimeter, R2 is in elevation 300, R3 in elevation 500, R4 is 700. So what about this part? This part is different. It's called top rail. So where I can find this one, I'm just going to make cancel. You see this is top rail. So if I'm just going to hide it, you see now I don't have top rail. So this is different type. For sure, if I'm going to make this family, I can make, if I'm going to change or design, I can do this from the rail family, and I can edit here. This is will be understandable in the next video. So what about the plaster placement? Okay, it looks like very hard to understand, but believe me, it's nothing. We have here two categories. First category, it's main pattern, okay, or the main structure pattern. And here we have the posts. So what is this? I'm going to my photo now. You see, this one is the post. We have start post and end post. And if there is corner, it will be corner post in the middle. This is the first one and the end one. This is first. I'm going to write number 1, and this is the the end post. And I told you, if I'm going to make, like, let's say my rating like this is will be the corner post. And this is called the between its baluster. So if I'm going to change the design of this baluster, I want to change, I need to make a family, a new family which called baluster metric. So this is, we're going to explain about this in the next video. But what you should understand here, if what the difference between main pattern and post. You see here we have like a, a railing. It's very long, but always it have same pattern. So you see this part from here to here, and from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, it's just repeated. So if I'm going to bolster, you see that every 1 meter this is repeated. If I'm going to make 500, it will repeat every 50 centimeter. And this is the toolbar for the post. So if I'm going to make it from 0, you will see that, let's make it minus 200. You will see that our first post, it will be moved 20 centimeter to the left side. If I'm going to make it 0, it will be like this. It not will be on the end of this. That's why they put 12.5 centimeter. It's the radius of our uh, start post. If I'm making like this, you will see that it's start directly with the cut of this is top rail. So is it understandable for you? I think yes, but you should repeat this video, and I'm just going to just show you something here. If I'm going to delete this railing, okay, and I will make apply, so you will see that now I deleted my railing, and I just wanted to make it at 400. So you see, I just delete, and from here, from this profile, it's the family that I'm going to create and insert this. And also I can make duplicate, and I change it, let's say rail 2, and I will say that this should be at 100. You see, now I have 3 rail. So for this I think it's enough for this tutorial. I just wanted to explain for you the concept of making railing in Revit. In next tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create our own railing. I think it will be very useful for you. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because this will help me a lot. Also, you won't miss any of my future tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.